In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your Xerox B230 laser printer using your Ethernet cable. So we are going to connect it with the home or office router using the Ethernet cable, and then we will use it with different devices for wireless printing. Let's start with the setup process. First step is to connect one end of the Ethernet cable at the back of your printer. For the Ethernet cable, you have to plug it in here. Now go to your router, plug in the other end of the cable at the back side of the router and plug it in at the yellow port. So that is for the internet access. You can see all these wires are in the yellow port. And once you do that, go to your printer. Once you connect your printer with the Ethernet cable, click on the setting icon, scroll ahead, click on the network, press network overview. So once you see active adapter, scroll ahead, click on the network status. It will display if you are connected or not. So right now it is connected. Let's do the wireless printing. So we are going to add this printer in a smartphone. You can also add it in a MacBook or laptop for wireless printing. In your smartphone, you can use an iPhone or Android phone. Download the Xerox Easy Assist app. That's the app here. Xerox Easy Assist. Select the second option, connect to existing printer. Make sure you are connected with the same router using the Wi-Fi. It will display your printer. Select it. Printer is connected. Let's print a test page. Press OK. So your printer will receive the data quickly because it is connected with the Ethernet cable. So let's check the print result. So here we can see, so it has given all the details of your printer. It is successfully installed, and if you look at all the details, it will display Wi-Fi network not available because we are using the Ethernet cable. So Wi-Fi network is not enabled here. So this way we can do the quick setup of the printer. For fast printing we can use this method. Now we can click on the continue. You can also set up this process on a computer, and we can skip this step. Click continue. So here we have all the options like order supply, device setting, and that's our printer. Thanks for watching.